It'll be your first introduction to clinical.
When someone you love isn't feeling well, when the questions mount, the pain increases, or the prescriptions run out, when you need quality care and are worried how you'll afford it, turn to Heart City Health Center of Elkhart.
Heart City Health Center is a federally qualified community health center, and in real people terms that means we're just like your family doctor's office plus. As a federally qualified health center, which is a federal designation, a grant-funded designation, we are required to offer services based on income and family size. That's where we get the affordable part of that name.
While the local economy continues to mend, still too many Elkhart area households remain challenged by financial hardship and uncertainty. Between 2008 and today, Heart City Health Center has seen a 32% increase in patients. Yet there really is no such thing as a typical patient here. They're the people your kids go to school with, who work at your uncle's business, and who live down the street from you. Eugenia Jackson has been coming to Heart City since she was a teenager.
Without Heart City as a young girl, it would have been hard for me because it was only Planned Parenthood that girls could go to and get help without having to pay lots of money if you didn't have insurance. So it would have been harder for me to see regular doctors, and I had a lot of family issues, so I needed a lot of screening and things that I was concerned about as a child, and by being able to come to Heart City, they were able to see me for that less money instead of having me have to be burdened with bills and bills and bills.
With support from government grants and strong community partners, Heart City Health Center provides an ever-expanding range of services in a clean, bright, welcoming environment.
Heart City Health Center provides medical and dental services to a number of uninsured and underinsured citizens of Elkhart County. We also have an in-house pharmacy that provides some pharmaceutical services, and we're currently working on providing behavioral health to our patients, and we're also going to incorporate nutrition services.
Heart City Health Center celebrated 20 years of service in 2013, and in 2014 returns to its roots with the completion of a second site in Elkhart's South Central neighborhood.
Opening it in South Central Elkhart is significant and special to us because that's where the original Heart City Health Center started. There's also some very practical reasons for bringing it there. Higher levels of health disparity, bigger pockets of poverty exist within the city of Elkhart, within the inner city. And so for us, what better place to put a community health center than in a community that really needs it?
A complete range of dental services can also be found at Heart City Health Center, with a focus on preventative care.
Health care is very, very important to a community. If you have healthy people, you have healthy workers, you have healthy kids going to school. We have to have good basic health providers. That means facilities that will treat patients who cannot afford to pay complete dental care, complete medical care. And by doing this, we're providing for them to have services that are needed and fit within a budget of a person living on a low-level income.
The benefit provided by Heart City Health Center goes far beyond the clinical results experienced by individual patients. The effects ripple throughout the entire community.
Heart City Health Center impacts the economy very positively through many different areas. They're a large employer for the community. Employers are happy to have Heart City Healthcare because they know they can refer their employees here. They can be seen by a doctor. So we're keeping our workforce intact. They're getting the health care that they need, and it's a huge asset to the community.
With the continued generosity and support of Elkhart County residents and companies, Heart City Health Center can grow and invest in staff and facilities.
Mi nombre es Ileana Martín y he estado en esta clínica por 17 años como consumidora, pero también estoy en el board y mi trabajo aquí soy la secretaria.
They give good care and treatment. They have awesome doctors, they have awesome nurses, they have awesome staff, period.
It is a wonderful health facility for the community, and the community benefits greatly by it.
Heart City Health Center is proving to the community that even though we have affordable prices for the health care we deliver, the quality is equal to, if not better, than what you would get in the private sector.
Hart City Health Center helps fill a huge void in our community.
The quote that I always tell our staff around here is, one who has health has hope, and one who has hope has everything. And when we get involved with a family's life, our desire is to help them have that health so that they can hope and dream for all the things they want.
Hart City Health Center, because this is what it's like to live happy, healthy, strong, confident, connected, purposeful, healed, hopeful, and loved.